tears are gray and pink, and all I remember thinking was this how it's supposed to be. Now that I've seen your face, my mind goes to a stupid place, but I hope you remember me. None of this will make sense. I can hide through it's all I please, but even when I'm 6 feet underground, you still got me on my knees. Dreams cannot compare